Hey everybody, Squint here. So I've changed my camera angle, I went to the left side, so when I'm picking you guys won't see just my picking finger. You have a better chance of seeing the lock, kind of what I'm doing in there. So we're gonna see if this works out a little bit better. No promises though. I have another lock here from Lebel. You guys can see here. Al sent me a few locks a long time ago, said hey, try to get these open. This is one of them, I think, Savvy. You can see I haven't opened it up, haven't done anything really with this lock. Kind of got, not necessarily tired or bored of challenge locks, but I was wanting to work more on, just high security locks and things of that nature. But today we're going to work on another challenge lock because this is what I have. So I'm going to work, it's a quick set, and we're going to work bottom of the keyway tension here, just to help with a little bit of the view. And see if we can get this thing picked open. We're going to use a pick from Sparrows called the Monkey Paw. You see here it has a little notch cut out on the end of it. Help you grab those pins a little bit. And yeah, let's see if we can get this thing open. All right, start in the back of the lock, apply light tension. Okay, small click there. Four, three, two's bound up. Got a small click out of two. Nothing on one. Back's good. Four, bound up. Two. Three. Two with a couple clicks. So I may have overset number two. Felt like it anyway. Everything got real springy whenever I set that pin. So we're gonna have to be careful with two. There's three. That was four. Five. Two with a click, small little turn on that one. Three. Okay. Two just feels like it's got micro serrations in it. Three again. I have very light tension on the core right now. Just going up and down the stack, just pushing, there we go. Just pushing on some of these pins just to see if they're set all the way up. I may have half set it. Seems like 2 and 3 are gonna be the two that we're gonna have to work out here. There we go, big turn after that touch. Let's see what we got now. It seems like there was something getting caught up with a micro serrations there. Okay. Small little turn here. It feels like 1. There. Oh, I thought that was going to send it home. We got 1 set now. Three. There it goes. So 3 must have been a deep. 1 and 3 must have had a, you guys can see, got that one open. Savvy. Beautiful lock. Let's go ahead and see what's inside. I'm assuming there's at least a couple of deep spools in there. All right, now last time I screwed up. I need to angle this down a little bit. We do have the key, so let's go ahead and open that up and see what the key looks like. Tape is on there. There we go. I got all the way through it. Look at that bitting. Oh wow. Everything. Look at that. That's crazy. Let's go ahead and lock it back up. Key works real smooth, of course. All right, let's go ahead and crack this thing open and see what we got inside. Let's see, we gotta take that ring off. I don't have everything sitting on my desk right now, so I have to kind of jump back and forth to get things that I need. I know I should be better prepared. Key is in. Make sure, yep, we're still good. Let's see. Nope. Thing did not want to come out with that shim in there. You guys can see everything was in and working, all 5 pins. Some serious work done to the core, as always. There we go, standard. Another standard. Another standard. Come on. And that one is serrated heavily. And the last one is another serrated key pin. Awesome job. Looks like there is undercutting on 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Or sorry, 1, 3, and 4. Undercutting. Let's see what we had upstairs. Okay, number 1. Big spool. Number 2. Beautiful little multi-grooved pin. There we go. Probably steel springs. Number 3. Another little barrel spool type pin. We'll leave that one in there. Another multiple serrated. Oh, that last one just shot out of there. Let's see if I can find it. Pretty sure I can. It landed right in my seat. Another barrel spool. All steel spring. Let's see if we did any work up top. Oh yeah, he threaded number 6, or sorry, number 5. Looks like he threaded number 2 and 5. It seems to has threading in it. I'm pretty sure you won't be able to see it, but you can try. Let's see if we can get the right angle. Awesome. Let's go ahead and look at the pins. That's what we're worried about. And let's zoom in on. Awesome work as always. You can see here. Barrel spool, driver pin, standards, then heavily serrated, and 1 had a spool. That's probably what opens us up. 1 or 3. I think it was 3 that probably opened us up, but you can see it's a big spool here too. This one kind of held us up, a lot of crunching and creaking in number 2. Same thing with number 5, a lot of crunching and creaking there. It looked like everything was a steel spring. Beautiful lock from Lebel. There was the key bitting again, if you can call it a key bitting. And that was Savvy from Al. All right, guys, well, hopefully this angle worked a little bit better. I appreciate you guys that let me know how things looked, camera angle, this and that. So, all right, this is Squint, and I'll be on to the next lock.